Hello world, this is ML, and I am back with another video vlog. But this time, I'll be doing an unboxing and product review of this premier low top sneakers from ThursdayBoots.com. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the premier low top sneakers with my own money. Now, on to the unboxing. As I said before, kids don't play with knives or any type of sharp items, okay? Okay, it says, thank you for your purchase. You're welcome. Important info. We want you to love your boots. Pretty simple, right? If not, you can exchange or return your boots for free within the continental US, so long as your boots are unworn and in new condition, no creases or wear on soles. And two, your return request is submitted within 30 days of receiving your original order. So basically, you could return it. I'm assuming sneakers as well if it's unworn and in new condition and within 30 days. To process an exchange or return, please visit exchanges.thursdayboots.com. Please allow 10 business days for an exchange or refund to be processed from the time your return shipment arrives back at our warehouse. So here it is. Black box. It says Thursday on the top right here. Nothing too special. Thursday every day right here. Also on the other side. And your size info. Pretty simple. Right here, size info. Oops. You know, not too fancy. Okay. And inside looks like this. Boom. Okay. It came with, it looks like some kind of card. It says Thursday, established New York City, 2014. Thursday products are handcrafted in small batches using only the highest quality materials. Natural color and texture variation will occur. This is what makes the material we use and the products we design both distinct and beautiful. Quality guaranteed by Carla Silva. Here's the card. It's like in bows here. You might not see it because it's all black, all in black. And it's pretty thick. Thank you. Oh, okay. It came with a bag. It says Thursday every day, ThursdayBoots.com. So this material, it feels like it's just canvas with a string that you could close it. Looks something like this. So it's made out of canvas. Nothing too special, but still, a lot of sneakers don't come with canvas bag. So that's one up for ThursdayBoots.com. Simple wax paper. Oh, hey, yo. right off the bat, sneakers. I mean, I'm only seeing half. Okay, half of the sneakers. I'm already like, okay, taking back at it. By the way, oh, it doesn't say the price. So let me tell you how much I paid before I open this. So once again, this is 9.5. On the website is $129. Okay. Since I'm in New York, they charge me $11.45. The total for the sneakers is $140.45. Wow. Okay. It's the bottom. It's the top. Thursday on the back. Now, it feels like, of course, it's a dress sneakers, right? In my opinion, dress sneakers. The leather is smooth. Smooth. It's hard. Like the sole, I can't even bend. It's hard, but let me see how it feels once it's worn. Okay. You have the what you call this rivets. The rivets is silver. Silver. Now the craftsmanship is really, I gotta give it to the craftsmanship. Like I don't see any flaws as far as sewing and the details. Like as you observe or as I observe, the stitchings is not crooked. Like it's really straight. Like they really took their time. Whoever did this really took their time to stitch it. Okay, so it's well organized. It's simple. I consider this a minimalist sneakers. Okay. Now, here's the other side. This is the left side. So this is how it looks. All white. Like really, really white. The inside, I can smell glue though. Glue. Oh, there's a little flaws here, like a little crease or folded up crease here. But I guess that's how it is when you're dealing with leather. Okay. In the inside, it says made in small batches, handcrafted in Portugal. Made in Portugal. Okay. All right. All right. This is soft on the bottom. It's foamy. So I'm assuming this is foam and it has another layer in between it. See the white part right here? So this feels like leather here. In the middle is foam here, and on the bottom is foam. So this is squishable here, right here. squishable. Like as I observe, is this is a very well detailed sneakers, in my opinion. Let me see if there's any glue. This one is clean, like clean. I don't even see no glue stain or glue residue. This is really, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Yeah, I don't see no glue. I don't see no floor. Let me see the other side of this. The stitchings are straight, no flaws. It's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. I like it. So I'm gonna wear it in a few and show you how it looks in my feet. On the back, on the inner part right here, it seems like leather as well. The tongue, it says Thursday, every day. I'm gonna try it on and let y'all know how it feels and let you know what's up. First and foremost, first impression, it looks beautiful. Okay, it looks beautiful on my feet. Definitely a minimalist sneakers. It doesn't look cheap. I am size 9.5. The sneakers is 9.5. In the website, it says true to size. In my opinion, it is true to size. FYI, I am wearing a no-show socks, and the sneakers fits snugly. It feels snugly. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. Look at this. Boom. Okay, I'm wearing my dress pants. I'm gonna take a few pictures on my Instagram, so follow me on my Instagram, and y'all gonna see how I look in these Thursday boots sneakers. Right, this is the side. This is the back right here. Boom. Once again, that's the side. Give that old test. Okay, so for my observation, right, it feels kind of tight on my toes, my pinky toes. It seems to be narrow, but my assumption, I just need to wear them out just a bit, because this is like literally off the box. Or if your guys are so concerned, and even ladies, just get a half a size up. So my final thoughts for a price point of $129, is it worth it? In my opinion, it is. For the simple fact that off the bat, it doesn't look cheap. That's one. Two, the craftsmanship, in my opinion, they really put time. Like you could tell just the details alone. Everything is straight and clean. What else? Also, it feels good on my feet. Feels good. And I'm definitely gonna fly through these, man. It's comfy. The bottom of my feet feels like it's cushioned, is well absorbed. It's just like it's a little narrow on the sides because I have wide feet. But other than that, it's good. I like it. I have nothing negative to say about this pair of sneakers. This is my first Thursday sneakers, by the way. Look at the bottom. Okay. And this is good. I think this is good for casual dress pants, nice dress trousers, or even dress shorts. something that's slim fitted or even skinny fit, and you throw these on, boom, you gotta. So yeah, man, I like it. No complaints. And I give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.